Hello everyone! If you are appearing for the ICSE board examination, then this video is a must-watch for you. This video covers the first 20 competency-focused questions released by the ICSE board with proper step-by-step solutions. Important rule before you continue. Pause the video. Try each question yourself. Think, solve, and write the answers. Then play the video again and match your answers with the solutions. Let's begin your board-level practice.
Competency Focused Practice Question ICSE Class 10 Mathematics. Question number 1. Let us solve this one. First one is given. A retailer buys an article at its listed price from a wholesaler and sells it to a consumer in the same state after marking up the price by 20%. The list price of the article is 2500 and the rate of GST is 12%. What is the tax liability of the retailer to the central government? Marked price is given. Marked price is given. How much? 2500. And wholesaler sells it to customer, marking up the price by 20%. That means price of the customer equal to 20% of 2500. That means 2500 plus 20% of MP. For customer, price equal to 2500 plus 20% means 1 by 5 of 2500. 1 by 5 of 2500, that is equal to 2500 plus this is your 500. So this is your 3000. 3000 is price for the customer. Now, what is the tax liability of the retailer? Of the retailer is given. So, for retailer, CGST is output GST minus input GST. Output GST minus input GST for retailer. This is your CGST. Output GST is GST paid by the customer to the retailer. So output GST equal to 3000 is the price paid by the customer. So output GST is your 12% of 3000 minus input GST is 12% of retailer buys at the rate of 2500, so 12% of 2500 by 2. That this is only GST, not CGST, only GST. Then this is 12% of 3000. 12% of 3000 means your 12 into 3 is 36. Then 0, 360. This is your 12% of 2500. That means 12 5 ja 66, 12 2 ja 24 plus 6, 30, 300. So this is your 60 rupees. Now CGST. CGST equal to half of 60. That is equal to 30 rupees. Rupees 30. So this is the answer. Rupees 30. Now question number 2. Dev bought an electrical fan which has a marked price of rupees 800. If the GST on the goods is 7%, then the SGST. Now 800 is given MP. GST is 7%. That means 7 by 100 into 800, that is 56 rupees is your GST. And SGST is by 2. So rupees 28 is the answer. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. Rupees P is deposited for a number of months in a recurring deposit account which pays interest at the rate of R% per annum. The nature and time of interest calculated. Compound interest for n number of months, simple interest for n number of months, compound interest for 1 month, simple interest for 1 month. What will be the nature and time? The answer is simple interest for 1 month. And your answer is simple interest for n number of months. This is wrong. Compound interest in RD there is no compound interest, only simple interest. This is simple interest for n number of months. That will be formula, that is interest equal to PRT by 100. That is not in RD. So this is a simple interest for 1 month. Question for RD. Anvesha intended to open a RD account of rupees 1000. So account of rupees 1000. So this is your P equal to 1000 per month 1 year. So N equal to 12. Paying a 5% per annum rate, R equal to 5%. The bank reduced the rate to 4%. How much must Anusha deposit monthly for 1 year so that her interest remains the same? Now find interest. Interest is your P into N plus 1 R by 100. This will be your interest will be how much? 325. This answer will be 325. Now put this interest and find the P. P into 12, 13, rate is your 4 divided by 100. And put here interest 325. That is equal to P into 12 into 13. So here P equal to 1250. Next question is share and dividend. Mr. Das invests rupees 100, 12% shares of company available at rupees 60 each. Mr. Singh invests in rupees 50, 16% shares of company B available at rupees 40. Use this information to state which of the following statement is true. The rate of return for Mr. Das is 12%. The rate of return for Mr. Singh. Both Mr. Das and Mr. Singh have the same rate of return. Mr. Das and Mr. Singh have the same rate of return, 20%, 10% given. So, NB equal to given 100 and dividend rate equal to 12%. Now, here NB is your 100, dividend rate equal to 12%, MB equal to 60. Return percentage on MP. Return percentage on MP equal to dividend percentage on NP. Now return percentage R percentage of 60 equal to 12%. Dividend rate is 12% of 100. So your return percentage from here, return percentage equal to here return percentage equal to 20%. So answer is this one, last one, return percentage is 20%. See, this is your Mr. Singh company B also 20%. So both are 20%. Next question is your question 6. This is also share and dividend. Amit invested a certain sum of money in rupees 100 share paying a 7.5% dividend. The rate of return on his investment is 10%. The money invested by Amit to purchase 10 share. Now same return percentage equal to return percentage on MP equal to dividend percentage on NP. Now return percentage on NP equal to dividend percentage on NP. NP is your 100. This is NP equal to 100 and dividend percentage equal to 7.5%. Dividend percentage equal to 7.5%. Our return percentage equal to 10%. So return percentage is 10%. 10% of MP equal to dividend percentage is 7.5% of 100. So this is your MP equal to 75. Now MP market value on 1 share equal to 75. For 10 share MP equal to 75 into 100, that is equal to 750. So answer is your 750. Now question number 8. Minus 4x greater than 8y, then x minus x greater than 2y. Minus x greater than 2y. So x less than question number 8. Minus 4x greater than 8y, then x less than minus 2y is the answer, because when minus is multiplied both sides, the sign will be changed. So this will be less than minus 2y. Now quadratic equation question 9 and 10. The value of k for which the quadratic equation has equal roots. Equal roots means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. That means here b square is minus k square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is k equal to 0. This is your k square minus 8k equal to 0. So k square equal to 8k, k equal to 8k by k. So this is your 8. 8k by k 8. So answer is your k equal to 8. It is given 8 only or 0 8. Which one? 8 only or 0 8? See, answer is your 0 and 8. Why? When you put the value here, minus 4 if x equal to minus 2 is one of the solution of this equation, then the value of x. With the value of minus 2, this is your minus 3 square plus 3x minus plus 2 equal to 0. This is your 4 plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is your 3a equal to minus 6, a equal to minus 2. A equal to minus 2b. So question number 11. In solving quadratic equation, one of the value of the variable is 233.3 3, 5, 6. The solution rounded to two significant figures. Rounded to two significant figures. This is 2 is the first significant figure. 3 is two significant figure. We have to round the 23. To round 23, we have to see this one 3. This is your 23. We have to round. This one is less than 5. This one is less than 5. So this is your this figure. If this one 2, 3, 6. This is greater than 5. So this will be 224. Two significant figure means we have to round this one 23. We have to check this one either less than 5 or greater than 5. If equal to 0, it will be next number. Now question 12. In the adjoining diagram, this is the diagram here. This one is the diagram. AB equal to x centimeter, BC equal to y centimeter, and x minus y equal to 7 centimeter. Area of the triangle is given. Find the length of AC. Area is given 30 centimeter square. Area of a right angle triangle is half base into height. That means your half into xy equal to 30 given. So xy equal to 60. Now x minus y is given 7. This is given 7. We have to find AC. AC is your root over of x square plus y square. So we have to find the x square plus y square. X square plus y square. X square plus y square equal to x minus y whole square plus 2xy. This is x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 2xy cancel. So x square plus y square. This is 7 square means 49 plus 2xy means 2 into 60 120. This is your 169. So this is your 169 root over that is equal to 13 centimeter. So answer is your 13 centimeter. This one is the answer. Now question number 13. This one. If P, Q, R are in continued proportion, then in continued proportion. So P by Q equal to P by Q equal to Q by R. That means Q square equal to PR. Now P by Q equal to P by R. This one no, because P by Q equal to P by R. This is not wrong. Q by R equal to P square by Q square. Q by R. This one Q by R equal to P square by Q square. No, this is also wrong. P by Q square. P by Q square equal to R by P square. P by Q square equal to R by P square. No, this is also wrong. P by R. This is P by R equal to P square by Q square. This is your P square by Q square. P square by Q square is your P square by, this is Q square means PR. So put here PR, that is equal to P by R. So this is correct. Now question number 14. The ratio of diameter to height. The ratio of diameter to height is given 3 by 5. That means diameter equal to 3x, height equal to 5x. Now actual diameter is given 6 centimeter. Therefore 3x equal to 6, x equal to 2. Therefore height equal to 5 into 2, 10 centimeter. Now find it curved surface area, that is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi, diameter is 6, so radius is 3, height is 10. This is your 60 pi. So answer is this one. Now question number 15. The polynomial is completely divisible by 2x plus a and the quotient is equal to x squared minus 1, then one of the value of a. Now it is completely divisible by 2x plus a. Question this one. Therefore 2x plus a 2x plus a into a square minus 1. 2x plus a into a square minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is your how much 2s cube. This is 2s cube minus 2x 2s cube minus 2x plus ax square minus a equal to 0. Now this is 2s cube plus 3s square. This is your plus 3. This one is a 3x square minus 3. This is 3 is a. Therefore a equal to 3. Now next one. Polynomial is this one. Which of the following is a factor of the given polynomial so that the value of k is 2? Value of k is 2. Which of the following factor of the given? Now question number 16. Given polynomial, which of the following is a factor of the given polynomial so that the value of k is 2? Now put the value as k of value as 2. This equation is your s cube plus 5x square minus 2x minus 24. Now x equal to minus 2. This is x plus 2 is a factor, then x equal to minus 2. Put the value minus 2. This is minus 8. This is minus 2 square is 4. 4 plus into 5 is 20. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 minus 24. This is not equal to 0. Next see x plus 4 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 4. See this one. This is your. This is wrong. Minus 4 cube is minus 64 plus 5 into minus 4 square is 16. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8 minus 24. This is minus 64 plus 80. 24 minus 8 is 16 minus 16. This is equal to 0. 80 minus 64 equal to minus 16. This is equal to 0. So answer is C. X equal to x plus 4 is a factor. Question number 17. A is a matrix, B is a matrix. Only A, B is possible, B, A possible, both are possible and equal. First, see, this is your A matrix, order is your, this is A, B. So this is your 1 row, 2 column, and this is B matrix, C, D. This is 2 row, 1 column. For a matrix possible, number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of second matrix. So AB is possible. AB is possible. Then for BA, see, this is B 2 1 and A 1 2. Number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of row of second matrix. So BA also possible. Now what is AB? AB equal to first row into first column. So this is your AC plus BD. Then what is BA? BA, B is CD and AB. So CA plus DB. Both are equal. So option D. Both matrices AB and BA are possible and AB equal to BA. Now question number 18. A is 6, 9 minus 4k, A square is 0 matrix, then k. A square, that is your 6, 9 minus 4k into, this is also 6, 9 minus 4k. This is first row, first column, and first row, second column. First row, second column is 6 into first row, second column, 6 into 9 plus 9 into k equal to 0. This is your first row, second column, 0, this one. So 6 9 ja 54 plus 9k equal to 0, 9k equal to minus 54 by 9. 9k equal to minus 54, so k equal to minus 6. So answer is minus 6. Another one, this is first row, second column. Another one, this is second row, first columns. For second row, first column, second row, first column, this one, minus 4 into 6. Second row, first column, minus 4 into 6 plus k into minus 4, that is minus 4k equal to 0. This is also minus 24 minus 4k equal to 0, minus 4k equal to 24, so k equal to minus 6. Now question number 19. Given Sn equal to n square minus n, find third term. What is the formula to find third term? T3. Third term equal to T3 equal to S3 minus S2. That means, see, this is your S2 term. Let this is term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3. S3 means your term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3. This is your S2, that is your S2 plus term 3. So term 3 equal to S3 minus S2. Now S3 equal to 3 square minus 3, that is equal to 6. S2 equal to 2 square minus 2, that is equal to 4. So term 3 equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is this one 2, this one 2. 6 minus 2, this one. Six minus 2 equal to 4 is the answer. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a geometry progression? For geometry progression, T2 by T1 must be equal to T3 by T2. Now this is your 1 divided by 1 by 3 equal to 3. Then 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. So this is a geometric progression. Now 1 by 5 by 1 by 5 is 1. This is also ratio is 1. So this is geometric progression. This is 4 by minus 2 equal to minus 2 minus 8 by 4 equal to minus 2. So this is also geometric progression. 0 by 2 equal to 0. 4 by 0 equal to not equal to 0. So this is not a geometric progression. So answer is D.